What's going on, guys? Welcome to country number 10 of Germany. It's pretty cool to say that I've now been to 10 countries. But anyway, I only have one day here in Berlin before I have to leave Germany. So I'm going to go hit the streets and see as much stuff as I can. Alright, close to Brandenburg Gate. And right there is the U.S. Embassy. See the U.S. flag there at the top. It might be kind of hard to see on the GoPro, but that building there is the U.S. Embassy. Brandenburg Gate is right next to it. So there's Brandenburg Gate. There's the U.S. Embassy over there again. It's a nice street here, actually. A lot of people though. Alright, I think it's time to go get lunch and then go to the Berlin Wall in a little bit. Not sure what that building is there. It has the German flag and the European Union flag. So maybe it's like a parliament building or something. Here's Canada's embassy up here. It's kind of hard to see their flag, but it's this white building right here. So not this black one, but the white one there. It's not really white, but you get the difference. That is because I see Canada's flag, so assuming that must be their embassy. All right, so here's the Berlin Wall. It goes down that street a little bit, and then it ends right over there. So there's not much of it left. It's in pretty bad shape, but it is pretty old. So that's pretty cool to see. So they got some stuff that's probably like a museum or something, I'm guessing. So here it is. See, there's a gash in it right there. Of course, on the other side of this is a bridge. There's a giant hole in it right here. Wow. So you can see here's a huge break in the wall. It's much narrower than I thought. I thought it'd be thicker, but it's actually quite narrow. I don't know, I just thought maybe it would be a lot thicker of a wall. So right down there, there's the Berlin Wall. Right down there, there's a bunch of stuff you can read. I just had to look through all of it, and it goes over the whole history of the Berlin Wall and the entire kind of World War II, how it started, you know, the rise of Hitler and the Nazi Party and communism, and then all the horrible effects of that, and then eventually the fall of the Nazi Party, and then Berlin getting split into two. So yeah, some really interesting stuff down there. But I'm glad to see that some of the wall is still preserved, because apparently this is one of the last pieces of it that is still around. Alright guys, I'm going to end the video here. Unfortunately, I only had just today to spend here in Germany, and I'm only, of course, being in Berlin. I'd like to get to other parts of the country, but it's gonna have to wait, but I will definitely be back. So far, I really like this country. It's a lot of history, people are nice, everybody speaks English, so definitely come back. But I'm gonna end the video here, so I will see you guys in the next one.